Hey, look what I've got here. This is a big socket. Hopefully it's the right size for that flywheel nut. Now, I haven't got Mike with me. This is, like I've just said, just kind of put this to one side for a bit and come back, revisit it maybe next week. A week later, I'd love to say it was later in the week, but it's not, it's like a week and a half. It's difficult between kids and a job and stuff like that to get this regularly. I am gonna get more regular with this content though, so make sure that you do follow and you like and you do all the YouTuber stuff, because we've got some really cool plans coming. Obviously, we need to crack open this engine, so let's see if it fits. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it on my own. It was a bit of a two-man job the other day. Mike's away, he's back soon. So yeah, let's crack on, see if we can, well, do it myself. Come on. Okay, so gotta just move this back out. Oh, look. Drip tile all over that mat. Drag it back out, flip it over. Let's see. Let's test, let's see, will it fit? And have we got something that's big enough and tough enough to crack this off with? Let's see, okay. It fits, happy days. Right, I really want to do it now. Gonna have to give it a quick go, aren't I? Oh, I've already got dirt on my nose. Doesn't take long. Okay, let's get the tools out, see what we can do. Okay. Given that the socket is 3/4 inch, we're going to need something bigger than a normal ratchet. So I found this. I think this will work. Let's see. He says. Haha. We're in business. Just gonna need to find a way of locking the flywheel, and I'm on my own. We used that big bar the other day so that we could get the front nut off. How are we gonna do that? It's just gonna keep spinning. I reckon I've done it. I reckon I've figured this out. There's a special tool you can buy. I've not bought it. I've not bought the special tools for this. We don't even know if this engine runs right. So look at this, look at this. I'm proud of this one. So that metal bar from the last bit, I've put a bolt through here. That's holding it in to the block. And there's these like kind of locating pins. Hopefully they're strong enough, but like I said, I'm not worried if I break it, and I've just kind of run it through there. So hopefully we'll have to spin that now and it'll lock against itself. Let's try it. Try the other side. Lift up to it. Keep my foot on this or something. Seen Bad Mike do this a million times. It just works. What? Okay, I hold my hands up. Can't do that on my own. I'm sorry, it's not gonna happen. We are not gonna crack the engine open in this episode. But wait, before you go anywhere, let me just give you a very quick update because I've got some exciting news to share. A track day company has reached out to me and they want to work with me, which means I get to spend some more time out on track with the car. Now, what that means is that we've got to make sure that the engine either goes in the car quickly or we don't use it. Now, realistically, we're not going to get that engine in this car before my first track day with them. So the plan here is we're going to go seats, harnesses, and steering wheel. Maybe some rollover protection as well because this car doesn't have any, but we'll certainly be fitting that at some point during this project. So kind of two timelines going on now, the engine build, and that will mean minimal disruption to having the car off the road so that we're not having to leave the engine out for a long period of time. It stays running for longer, which is a win-win for everybody. Now, content, okay. What I want to do is just talk to you briefly about the content on this channel. What do you want to see? It's starting to grow. A lot of you guys have come for the Z3, but do you want to see some other stuff? Obviously, I did a Cars and Coffee walk around, showed you around my friend's Focus RS with crazy horsepower. There's plenty more of that stuff up my sleeve. So if you want to see that, let me know. If you don't want to see that, let me know. Do you like the more polished stuff I've done previously? Do you prefer this just off the cuff vloggy content here in the workshop? So let me know what you want to see more of, because I'm going to be making stuff that you guys want to see, and of course making stuff that I just want to create. I'm here to have fun. I'm here to explore car culture, push the limits of what you can do with minimal tools. I appreciate I've got a ramp. That is a big, big bonus, right? But this is a workshop. It's not mine. It's a family member's that I'm lucky enough to use. So, of course, we're going to have to cut some corners like you saw. I haven't got all the tools to open the Rotary up. I had to buy stuff as we go. So, yeah, I just want to bring you guys along for the ride. Let's have some fun together. So if you like the content, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.